Wow, you might be wondering what on earth is that sound? So these are what are known as chords. A chord is simply when you play many notes at the same time. It gives your playing a richer, fuller sound. Today we're going to learn three major chords: C, F, and G. So let's start with C major. To play C, or the C chord, place your thumb, finger 1, on C. Actually use middle C this time. And your middle finger on E, your pinky on G. When you play these together, listen to how full it sounds. So remember, there's my C, there's E, there's G, and I'm playing them at the same time. Practice playing this chord a few times, maybe at least 5 times. Isn't that nice? Next, let's learn the F major chord. So F has the same shape as C. You simply move your thumb to F. So that means your middle finger is now on A, while your pinky is on C. So this here is an F chord, or an F major chord. Also play this a few times. Alright. And now for G. G also has the same shape as C and F. You simply move your thumb to G, so that your middle finger is now on B, and your pinky is on D. Also play that a few times. So I hope you can see that all these chords have exactly the same shape. You simply play a note, skip one, play a note, skip one, and then you play again. So there's C, there's F, and there's G. Let's add even more richness to our chords by playing the root note in our left hand. The root note is simply the note that the chord is named after. So that means for C, the root note is C. So in our left hand, we're going to put finger 5 on C. And we're just going to play the root note. Listen to how much fuller that sounds. Let's see if we can play this 4 times. We'll play the root note once, and then we'll play the chord 4 times, like this. What a rich sound. Okay, let's try this for F and G as well. So for F, place your left hand finger 2 on F, like that, and play the F chord in your right hand, like this. Nice, right? And then for G, in our left hand we can use finger 1 on G while we play the G chord. What a nice sound. Okay, so I'm going to play the 3 chords together. So C was this. Remember, it had a C in the left, finger 5, and then F, finger 2 in the left is playing that F, and then finally G with finger 1 in the left. So now that you know your 3 chords with the roots, let's put them together in a fun song which hopefully everyone knows. We're going to learn When the Saints Go Marching In. We're going to play the chords in this order. We're going to go C, 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 then G, back to C, then F, C, G, C. Let's try playing it slowly together first. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3. Oh, when the saints, so that's C, go marching, that's another C. Oh, when the, another C, go, now get ready to go to G. I want to, back to C, In that we go to F number, back to C. When the saints, then to G, go back home to C. Okay, let's try that a little faster this time. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching. G, I want to be in. Then we go to F, that number. Back to C. When the quick change to G, go marching in. Okay, so I want you to try those chords a few times until it feels comfortable. You've now played a full song using chords and root notes. Practicing this will make you more comfortable with chords, which we're going to be using a lot as we go on. In our next lesson, we're going to add even more to our chord skills and explore these things called chord progressions, so make sure you stay tuned for that. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe, like and share this video. Let's get more people into music. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments and I will do my best to help. I'll see you next time.